What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Scooby-Doo. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. I'm gonna begin with drawing his nose, so I'm gonna draw a curved line for the left side right there, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn to the right and up, and we're gonna make a shape, a triangular shape, but with circular edges and corners. So I'm gonna draw the upper line right there, and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. Now from this point right here, in the middle of the upper line, I'm gonna draw a semicircle turn up. Now I'm gonna turn it to the right. And then I'm gonna make a turn, circular turn upwards at the corner. And then I'm gonna make a circle around up to that point right there. And then at this corner here, I'm gonna draw the other side of the circle, but I'm gonna leave a gap. And in the lower right corner of the eye, I'm gonna add a circle right there. And for the right eye, I'm gonna draw a circular line at this point right here. And we're gonna make a similar shape as the left eye right there, and I'm gonna add a circle shape at this corner of inside the eye. Okay, now on this point right here, right beside the left eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line up, and then I'm gonna extend it to the top of his head, and then I'm gonna turn it downwards at the side and stop there for now. And on top of his eye, I'm gonna add two curved lines, and we're gonna thicken it up. Another one right here. Now for his ears, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line across to the right, and then I'm gonna go out and then make a semicircle turn back in and down, and then back up and then down at that corner right there. And then from that point, I'm gonna draw a curved line back out, and then at this point right here, I'm gonna draw another curved line in towards the face, and then I'm gonna make a turn down towards the collar, and then I'm gonna make a slight turn out. Now for the left ear, I'm gonna take this point above the eyebrow and draw a curved line up, and then another curved line right there, and then make a turn back to the head down. And then at this corner here, I'm gonna draw another curved line to the other eyebrow right there, and inside of that another curved line. Now below the right eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there. And then on the left side of the nose, I'm gonna draw from this point a curved line to the side and down to the mouth. Now I'm gonna make another curved line for the point in front of the mouth and turn it back in to the center. And then from the center below the nose, I'm gonna draw another curved line down, and then I'm gonna make a turn back up at the side. And then I'm gonna make another semicircle line right there to the side below the eye, and then I'm gonna add a bracket at the end of it. And then below this curve, I'm gonna draw another curve down for the lower line of the mouth and turn it to the front. And from this corner right here, I'm gonna draw another curve line down to that line. And inside of the mouth, I'm gonna draw a curve line right there and another one right there. And I'm gonna fill in the mouth there with black color. Now on the outer side of the mouth, I'm going to draw a line right here and down. And then I'm going to make a turn out, the semicircle turn right there. And then I'm going to make a turn back in below the mouth. And then below that, I'm going to draw his chin from this point here, a curved line out and to the right, and then back up at the side below the mouth and stop there. And on the right side, I'm gonna draw a small curved line right there. And in front of the snout, I'm gonna add a few small circle where his whiskers are, and below the chin as well. For the front part of the neck, I'm gonna draw a curved line right here to the collar. Now for his collar on the side, I'm gonna draw a semicircle turn, and then I'm gonna extend it to the center of the collar and then leave a gap there. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side here. And I'm gonna extend it to the center. And then slightly outside of the line, I'm gonna trace the same thing across. And then both sides, I'm gonna draw a line down and another curve at the lower point right there across. Then I'm gonna draw a ring in the middle of the collar from this point right here, going to the front and down. And then I'm gonna draw another curve on the left side there. And then on the lower part, I'm gonna draw a square, a tilted square like that, and another tilted square inside. And at the back of the square, I'm going to draw a curved line right there, and below the collar on the left side here, I'm going to draw a curved line to the side and then turn it down at the shoulder. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. I'm gonna turn it down, and then I'm gonna curve it out at the elbow, and then I'm gonna turn it back down. Then I'm gonna make a curved turn out. Now for his paws or his finger, I'm gonna draw a curved line up and then turn it down at the tip, and then I'm gonna turn it back to the left. And another similar shape on this side right here, and I'm gonna turn it to the side. And then I'm gonna draw another one here and another one, smaller one at the side. Now on the left side, I'm gonna copy that this angle here. Now at the back of the paw, I'm gonna make a semicircle turn back up, and then I'm gonna make a turn back down and back up and all the way to the same point as the elbow, and then I'm gonna turn slightly to the left. Now from this point I'm gonna draw a curved line up all the way, almost reaching the collar, and stop there. On the right side, I'm gonna draw this line to the back and do the same thing. And a short curved line across here and a similar curved line right there. And in the middle, below the collar, I'm gonna draw a curved line there and another one right there. Now for his legs, I'm gonna draw on the right side here a curved line going up and to the side, and then I'm gonna turn it sideways and then go back down and turn it outwards and then back in and then down. At this point right here, I'm gonna draw a line out and I'm gonna draw a curved line up and to the side and then back down and then turn it back to the left. And then from this point here, I'm gonna draw a line towards the front leg, and then from this point right here, I'm gonna draw a curved line up and then make a turn in and then back up. Now I'm gonna draw the rest of the finger on the right side of the hind leg right there, and then from the elbow point slightly below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the leg, and I'm gonna draw a similar shape on the left side here, and then his toes. Now in between of the front leg, I'm gonna draw a curved line across. Now on the right hind leg, I'm gonna take this point and draw his tail with a semicircle turn, and then at the tip right there, I'm gonna make a semicircle turn back to the leg right there. And here I'm gonna add the patterns on his back, so I'm gonna do a black portion right there, and on his shoulders an oval shape right there, and another one there, and another one here, and another one right there. And I'm gonna just fill those patterns with black color. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.